myself Revas. In today's video, you will master the 3SUM problem of the most asked question on platform like LeetCode in the simplest way possible. This 3SUM here given an integer array nums, return all the triplets num I, num j and num k such that I not equal to j, I not equal to k and j not equal to k, and num I plus num j plus num k equal to 0. Notice that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplet. Here in the video we will break down the sum 3SUM problem in C++ with clean logic, line by line code explanation, optimized trick, and must sure that to watch till the end. You do not want to miss the key insight. So let's start. Here given an example in nums equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, 3. We have to find the sum of the three number equal to 0. Here num 0 plus num 1 plus num 2 is sum is 0, and num 1 plus nums 2 plus num 4 your sum also 0. So here the distributed triplets are -1, 0, 1 and -1, -1, 2. Notice that the order of the output and the order of the triplet does not matter. Yet another example given nums equal to 0, 1, 1. Here output is empty, means the only possible triplet does not sum up to 0. And another example nums equal to 0, 0, means output also 0, 0, means sum of the three number is 0. The only possible triplet sum up to 0. Our idea to solve. First idea, try all the triplet using 3 loops, but this time complexity is OF and Q. So this will fail for large input and is not easily to solve. So optimize approach. Here the smarter approach. First sort the array, fix one element. Use 2 pointer to find the remaining 2. This reduces complexity of OF and square. So let's start the code. First we take vector, then we take a int, then res is stored one. After that we take a variable n that stores the size of nums dot size. After that we sort the array, sort nums dot begin, then nums dot end. After sort we run the for loop for int I equal to 0, then I less than n minus 2. Because we take n minus 2 means here we take 3 numbers, not less than 3. So we take n minus 2 after I plus plus. After that we take a left variable called left means 2.9. After that we check which number is duplicate. If duplicate, then we skip that number. So if I greater than 0 and then nums I equal to nums I minus 1, when having we continue to skip that number. After that we take two variables int left that start from I plus 1 to increase iteration plus 1, then another variable int right equal to end minus 1 size minus 1. After that we run while loop left less than right. After that we take the sum of the three numbers int sum equal to nums I plus nums left plus nums right. After that we run if condition. If sum equal to 0 means it's a triplet, then we store it res dot push back nums I comma nums left comma nums right. After that we run while loop for left duplicate to not right and right duplicate to check. While left less than right and then nums left equal to nums left plus 1 then left plus plus left plus plus. After that we run another while loop for check right side for duplicate while left less than right and then nums right equal to nums right minus 1 then right minus minus. After that we increase the left one and decrease the right one. Left plus plus then right minus minus. After that we run else condition. If sum less than 0, else if sum less than 0 then we left plus plus. Else sum greater than 0 then right minus minus. Then we return result. First we run the code for check 3 cases. Sorry, here vector r here int here 3 cases are passed. Now check how the codes work. So that here we normally start from n equal to nums size. First we store the triplet finals, then we sorted the array nums begin ends, then we apply 2 pointers left and right, skips duplicate one, then we run for loop for fix one, skip duplicate value to avoid repeated triplets. After that, two pointer we take left and right one. Then we run while loop and we sum of the numbers num I, num left and num right. Then we check case one. If sum equal to zero, then we rest dot push back num I, num left and num right. After that, we skip duplicate one. Here we skip duplicate one to while loop left side and right side. After we move two pointers, both pointers left, then right. After that, case 2 we check if sum less than 0, then left plus plus, and sum greater than 0, then right minus minus. So now we dry run the code. First I equal to 0, then nums I equal to 4. So first we write here I 0, then left 1, 1. After that, for uh, here first I equal to 0. Now we write run the code. So for example, here we take nums 1, given an example. Here we take an example. First I equal to 0. So we write I equal to 0. After that we take a left part, means first index 6. After that right part n minus 1 means fifth index 6. After that here nums I equal to 0 means here value is minus 4. And after that we take nums left means here a minus 1. After sorted it, if we here to sorted it, after that it's give minus 1 for nums left, then for nums right it's give a 2. Then we sum of the three numbers, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 2 means here minus 3. So write we minus 3. After what action here left plus plus. After that we go I with I 0. After that we go left one. Here left one is 2, means left I plus 1 means second index is. After that right hand is now 5. After that we go num psi, here is minus 1. Sorry, num psi here is minus 4. After that we go to nums left. Here num left is minus 1. After that we go nums right. Here nums right is 2. After that we sum of the nums. So minus 4 minus 3 means here also minus 3. Then action is left plus plus, then go. So we go next step. Here I is also here 0 1. After that we go to the left place. So here left is second, now third one I plus 1. After that we go the right place. Here right is fifth 5 here. And after that we go to the num psi. Here num psi is now also 4 1. After that we go nums left. Here num left is now 0. After that we go nums right. Here nums right is 2. After that we go to sum of the number, means minus 4 plus 2, here minus 2. Minus 2. After that we left plus plus. After that we go here for another value. Here we write 0. After that we go the left 1 plus 1 means here 4 1. After that we go right 1. Here right is now same as above 5. After that we go num psi. Here num I is also above 1 minus 4. After that we go nums left. Here is nums left is chain 1. After that we write nums right. Here is also second one. Now we sum of the number -4 plus 1 -3 -3 plus 2 means here is -1. Here also left plus plus. Now we go to I equal to 1. So here I equal to 1 means here we write 1. Then here left is I for second index is go. So here 2. After that we go to the right one. Here right is fifth now. Then we go nums I. Here nums I equal to -1. Then we go uh, here nums I equal to -1. Then we go nums left. Here nums left is also -1. Then we go nums right. Here num right is 2. Then we sum -1 plus -2 plus 2 means here sum is 0. Means it's a triplet of sum of the three numbers. So here answer is -1 comma -1 comma 2. It's a triplet one. After that we go another one. Here is 1. After that we take left one. So here left one is I plus 1 means here 3. Then we go right one. Here right one is now 4. After that here go nums I. Here nums I is -1. After we go nums left. Here nums left is 0. After that go we nums right. Here nums right is 1. Here sum of the number -1 plus 1 means here sum is 0. So it's a triplet of sum of three numbers. So we write here -1 comma 0 comma 1 is the sum of the triplet number. Then we next one we check. Now I equal to 3. Here we write I equal to 3. Then we go left one. Here left equal to 4. After that we go right one. Here right is 5. And we go then nums I. Here nums I equal to 0. After that we go nums left. Here nums left equal to 1. After that we go nums right. Here nums right equal to 2. After that we go sum of the number means 1 plus 2 is 3 is not equal to 0. So it's not a triplet one means right minus minus. So we get the final answer to triplet -1 comma -1 comma 2 then -1 comma 0 comma 1. It's a triplet of three numbers. So it's a dry run. After that we now submit the code. So it submitted the code. All the 316 cases are passed. Here, time complexity of this question is OF n square because we run a one for loop, then we run one while loop to left and right forward. That's why here time complexity is OF1 n square and base complexity is OF1 square, excluding the output. Sorting take O n log n, but the dominant part is O n square due to two pointer transversal. Here we in this question always sort first, handle duplicate carefully, then two pointer pattern is key. If you understand this you have just learned one of the most important question in problem solving. Like the video, subscribe for more content. If any doubt then comments your video. Thank you watching. See you in the next video.